Okay, I want to talk a little bit about strange happenings in the solar system, in our solar system, and I don't know if you're aware of it, and I'll tell you the truth. NASA has stopped putting out information, and if they're asked questions, they'll just say it's a comet. We're going to look at some of the strangest thing and see. I just want to make everybody aware of what's going on, see what's happening in our solar system. So 3I Atlas is now behaving strangely. This was the first one that they spotted. After entering our solar system, 3I Atlas scientists have been rushing to find everything they can about it. Astronomers worldwide are turning their focus onto a rare and baffling cosmic visitor, interstellar object 3I Atlas, first detected in early July as it sped towards the sun from deep space. The object is the only third interstellar body ever observed in the human history, following Mumma in 2017 and Borisva in 2019, and they called it 3I. It's the third interstellar, and it was found in the Atlas Observatory. Uh, Michael Kuba warns CI 3I Atlas could be something far stranger than a comet. Harvard astrophysicist Evi Loeb has argued its behavior could mimic signs of a genuine starship. In a paper, Loeb even speculated it could perform a hidden maneuver while behind the sun in October and adjust its course towards Earth. He linked the idea to the dark forest hypothesis, which suggests alien civilizations may strike first to eliminate rivals. So they really don't know what this is. And here's the first ever clear image of the interstellar visitor. And this is from the James Webb Telescope. And I don't know if this is a picture or just kind of an image they put together, but it's a huge thing. And they said that it would take like 5 nuclear plants to operate this thing. Astronomers have just unveiled the first real image of the 3I Atlas, the mysterious interstellar object currently traveling through our solar system. The view is nothing short of astonishing. Captured by the powerful James Webb Space Telescope, it is the clearest look humanity has ever had at this cosmic wanderer. Unlike ordinary comets or asteroids born in our solar system, 3I Atlas comes with the depths of another star system carrying secrets billions of years old. That's what they think. What makes 3I Atlas even more intriguing is its unpredictable behavior. Observations reveal that its orbit has shifted in ways that gravity alone cannot explain. Gas emissions, unlike the data usually matched, the strange behavior echoes the mystery of Oumuamua, the first interstellar object detected back in 2017, which also baffled scientists with unexplained acceleration. Harvard's Ab Loeb has already suggested that interstellar visitor like this could be a natural disaster messenger or something far more advanced. And they don't have water, they have nickel comes out a lot, and I think it's dropping off 10 pounds of nickel every second or something. And also, it has no water, it has carbon dioxide, though. It doesn't have carbon monoxide and water like other comets do. While mainstream science leans towards unusual but natural explanations, the mystery remains wide open. This image marks the beginning of an exciting chapter in astronomy. For the first time, we're not just tracking the path of an interstellar traveler, we're actually seeing it pixel by pixel, detail by detail, as new data pour in. 3i Atlas may force us to confront questions about the universe we've never dared to ask. So this is very unusual. They're very focused on it. And in August, NASA stopped releasing news releases on this. And so we really don't have trusted information, but Jack Webb and all the telescopes and everything, James Webb and everything are all pointed at this object, the 3i Atlas, coming to into our solar system. Scientists detect cyanide and nickel in 3i Atlas gas plume, but no iron as object spreads towards the sun. The only way we find nickel is when it's in iron. We don't find it separate on the Earth. And now it's just got nickel, so this is very, very strange. And you see that its color is changing. And it was blue, and then it turned green, and then it kind of turned dark, and then it turned red. And some people see this as a warning or something, but I don't know what to think about it. Mars in danger? Harvard and NASA warned 3i Atlas could hit Mars, and I think this was a while ago. There's the other one of the other MoMA came in, and you see how big that was, and that was kind of a little probe, and 3i Atlas is huge. New interstellar visitor, this is the latest one, C205R2, and the C means it's inside of our, they think it stays inside our solar system, but it's called SWAN. And this was one of the images captured on September 12th. It's going to have a huge tail. I think I'm going to talk about it, but they consider when it gets by closer to the Earth, it's going to be equal to 5 moons. Astronomers have just discovered something far bigger and stranger than 3i Atlas. A new visitor, SWAN, is 100 times larger and brighter, streaking towards the Earth with a colossal plasma tail of 5 moons wide. Unlike any natural comet, it carries a nickel cobalt armor hull, a plasma drive exhaust, and a core radiating more power than 2 colliding black holes. And so this is amazing. When 3i Atlas, they said it would take 5 nuclear power plants to power it. This one, it says it would take the whole power grid of the Earth to power this one. Far more unsettling is the path overlaps with 3i Atlas. Both will swing behind the sun in October 2025, disappearing from every telescope on Earth simultaneously. Avi Loeb calls Atlas the Scout and Swan the Fortress, a returning probe on a 2,200-year orbit, possibly here for refueling, data collection, or something far more dangerous. Some believe these objects are part of a system, an ancient civilization network triggered by our radio and TV signals. And anyway, also they check the exhaust, and they have the same exhaust, unusual exhaust, as 3i Atlas. So it tells me they kind of must have formed in the same place or something. And then there's this one. It's 3 massive 150 wide spacecraft detected heading towards the Earth by HARP system. And these are other things that are heading towards the Earth at this time. A stunning discovery has electrified the UFO community. Scientists using HARP, the Advanced Space Research System, has reportedly detected not 1 but 3 colossal spacecraft, each an incredible 150 miles wide. on a direct course towards Earth. Their immense size dwarfs anything humanity has ever imagined, sparking urgent questions about their origin and intent. Unlike meteors or asteroids, these objects show characteristics that suggest intelligent design. Observers describe them as structures consistent and moving with precise fueling speculation. They could be alien motherships making their approach. If true, this would mark the most significant moment in human history. First contact with an unimaginable scale. As the countdown begins, scientists, government, and skywatchers worldwide are preparing for what could be either a revelation of cosmic friendship or a challenge to Earth's very survival. The universe just got a lot closer. The universe just grown ever more mysterious. New reports claim that HARP, High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, known for studying the Earth's ionosphere, has detected not one, but three massive spacecraft nearly 150 miles wide heading towards our planet. They never told us when it's going to get here, and NASA's not talking about anything, and I don't know how credible HARP is, but it seemed it might be credible. So, a whole lot of things going on. If confirmed, this discovery could mark the most significant extraterrestrial event in human history. HARP, the High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, primarily known for studying the ionosphere, has provided crucial data that suggests these objects are not natural celestial bodies. Their detection has raised questions about the advanced alien technology and the possibility of intelligent extraterrestrial visitors. The global scientific community is collaborating to track their trajectory, study their composition, and anticipate potential interaction with Earth's atmosphere. This remarkable scenario has captured the imagination of millions worldwide, blending elements of science, mystery, and possibility of first contact with alien civilization. As more information emerges, the world watches closely, watching for answers about these gigantic interstellar visitors approaching our planet. Well, I don't think we're talking about it that much in the United States, and that's why I'm putting out this video showing you're aware of all these things. In Europe, they're going crazy. Here's one more thing. Two more things. Enormous Earth-sized rectangular UFO allegedly seen hovering above the suns, leaving scientists baffled. Here's another one, Earth size. You see the picture of it there. UFO world is shocked after extraordinary claims that an Earth-sized rectangular spacecraft has been spotted hovering above the sun. Images circulating online show what appears to be a massive, perfectly shaped object casting shadows against the solar surface, igniting wild theories about its origin. What makes the sighting so unbelievable is the scale. A structure the size of our planet would dwarf any humanity ever imagined building, yet the images, the object's sharp geometric outline stands out starkly against the sun's chaotic plasma storm, looking less like a natural feature and more like a colossal machine. That's huge. Skeptics argue the spaceship could be a glitch in the imaging equipment, solar flares, capture in odd angles, or even artifacts from digital processing. Still, many UFO enthusiasts insist the shape is too precise to dismiss as coincidence. That's what the experts are trying to tell us about everything. Could this be an alien megastructure, a solar energy harvester, or even a cloak craft revealed by accident? The sun has long been a hotspot for strange sightings over the years. Telescopes have captured bizarre shapes, cubes, spheres, and massive objects seemingly feeding our solar system. Each time NASA attributes them to technical anomalies, but conspiracy circles argue otherwise, suggesting that civilization may be tapping into our sun's unimaginable power. One more thing is Jupiter's moon is sending radio signals directly to Earth and they're intensifying. This is the last one I thought was interesting. Jupiter's icy moon, Europa, is making waves. Literally, scientists have detected radio signals coming directly from Europa to Earth, and the signals are getting stronger. This mysterious activity has sparked excitement and curiosity among astronomers, space enthusiasts, and anyone fascinated by the search for extraterrestrial life. Europa is one of Jupiter's largest moons and has long been considered a top candidate for hosting life in our solar system. So we don't know how this radio signal and why it's pointing right towards Earth, and maybe they drop this signal off when they pass that from EI and spaceship, or we don't know where it's coming from, but this is another unusual thing. So I want to talk about one of the excuses that they're going to have for the rapture, and they believe people believe this, and I'm kind of thinking that this might be possible if the rapture comes soon, and I do believe it is not coming soon. It's upon us here in the next few days or weeks, but people are going to disappear, and they're not going to float up like this, even though that sounds like fun to me, but they're going to be gone in an instant. And what are the people on Earth going to say? With all this stuff going on, they're going to say aliens, and that's the answer. And with all the stuff that I showed you, and I think there's more going on that I haven't uncovered yet, but NASA, don't look to NASA or any of the space people that are all focusing on it. Even our Space Force is all hands on deck for these events. But anyway, we still got Apophis coming in 2019, and it's going to be a fun time. So God bless you, and get ready for the rapture by trusting Jesus Christ as your personal Savior.